It's Monday again, and I'm here today to actually share with you guys my trading journey again. So, this is morning. It is actually uh, 7 o'clock, and I haven't taken any trade yet. That is because I haven't seen any trade yet. I am seeing some few reversals on the charts, but until that happens, I have no trade opportunity since I am actually trading only continuations currently, not forever. So this year, I think that is a goal to perfect or what we have really been working on. Perfect it, not to 100%, but to a point where we know that even with a $10 account, you can be able to trade this comfortably, knowing fully well your losses should be 3 in 10 chances. Okay, that is what we are looking out for. But that is not really a goal. But that's not actually a goal. It is more like something. If it happens, will be good. But we just want it to be profitable. We don't really care about win rate currently. We just care about profits. Like there should be profit at the end of every trading session. More like if I have a loss today, tomorrow, even if I have a loss tomorrow or tomorrow next, I should be in a break even plus profit. With that trade, I will win, or it should be a break even totally. All right. So that is going to be what we are aiming for. But my colleague probably will be busy this week, so I will probably be trading almost alone. We might only be texting, not no more video calls like we used to. But yeah, we will try to squeeze in a few, more like a few trades here and there. I just I just wish we could be trading together because I've now started to get used to trading with somebody, like to trading with a friend, and I am not really happy that he'll be busy this week. I'm not really happy, but it is for a good thing. So it's good for him. So I don't think I should be worried. So today is Monday. I have already taken a loss. One loss. I don't know. Honestly, I wasn't patient. If I was patient enough, I would have been able to avoid that trade, but I wasn't patient, and yeah, these are the things you can't avoid. So I don't know. I am just supposed to wait for the sell trade, but I was a bit too eager to take that particular buy trade, and price taught me a lesson. So kudos to him, kudos to that market. I'll face him. What's up, beautiful people? So it's Tuesday, and I haven't taken any trade yet. The market is just choppy, so I don't know. I don't think it's actually very nice for me to take a trade currently because I don't really feel the vibe of taking a trade. So, and yes, I'm just waking up. This is 1:21. Didn't sleep early yesterday. Woke up between times to check what's going on in the market, but yeah, found nothing appetizing, so I just left it there like that. I don't trade markets that are not clear for me, so just left it there like that. But I don't know. Let's wait and see what happens. This is one. We're still a bit 2 p.m. candle, 4-hour candle to open. So I'm going to see what happens with that. From there, I probably think I might make a decision as to whether I'll trade today or not. I just hit another SL on my accounts. So 2% this week. All trades followed my plan, but I'm glad some of these things are happening because I'm learning a bit more about the strategy that I'm building. So I'm not that. Yeah. So yeah, let's see what happens. So right after the loss, we had a second trade that I took, and it went up to profit. It went up 2%, sorry, and we had our SL move to break even. But after the SL was moved to break even, honestly, even before the SL was moved to break even, after taking the trade, I just went straight to bed because I hadn't slept the whole of the night. I usually mostly sleep during the daytime. That's because nighttime I have a whole lot of, I don't know why. I have been trying this for a while now, though I don't miss trades anymore. At first, I used to sleep over my trading time, which was really messing up with me. I really wasn't happy with it. But right now, what I do is that I just make sure I get to my trade. That's what I do. If I can't sleep in the night at all, I make sure I stay up till I get my trade, entry and everything, and then I take a quick nap, maybe an hour or so, and I'll be fine. Okay. I realized that some of the sleeping I was sleeping since last year was because of the Lipton I bought. So I changed it back to what I used to buy. The Lipton I currently, if you guys remember back in some of my videos, I used some couple of Lipton flavors which were really nice. But this time around, when I went to buy, I didn't find any of those flavors. So I bought something completely different because of the claim I can't live without Lipton. Okay. It's more like an addiction to me right now. Now, sorry I keep picking my nose. I'm not used to it a bit. It's more like I now have, is it hickimus or whatever, or whatever they call it. But yeah, that's not the case. So I bought that Lipton, and honestly, I wouldn't advise anybody to buy those type of Lipton. Or let me say, if you are not using some specific type of Lipton, and you finally get to use, you finally don't have that flavor around, get something equivalent to that, which is not Lipton at all. If you can't find your Lipton, don't tell yourself I'm going to try this or I'm going to try that. If you want to try, we have some stores that sell in Ghana. Again, please, I'm a Ghanaian. If I'm talking, you guys should know the kind of place I come from. We have some stores that sell Liptons with like they just pick pieces and sell it to you. Buy 2 or 3, go and try it out. All right, when it is nice, come back and buy the full package. Don't make a mistake and buy the full package and then force yourself to finish it. If you have money, you can buy full package. You come and it's not nice, you leave it and go and buy another one. I beg you. We are the same. So that's the lesson I've learned, because I remember buying it and I had to force myself to finish it because I literally had no other flavor. Though I had one, but it eventually finished. All right, so I had to just, get something separate. But yeah, I guess you guys do understand what I'm saying. So finally I got my Lipton, the one I used to use, and I'm really happy. Currently editing my day in a live video. I didn't edit it last week, so I'm now doing it this week. Expect it. I literally forgot the amount of sugar I kept first, so I had to test it to be sure. Meanwhile, I know the number of spoons I use for my Lipton, so just trying to make sure. By the way, it's afternoon, and after one trade hit SL and the other hit break even, what better job to do than just to fill my day with some petty works, Whew. This is more like a ritual. All right, so today is Friday. I've not traded. I didn't trade on Friday today, which is Friday. I didn't trade today, being Friday. I didn't trade Thursday. I think, did I? I hesitated. I remember. Then on Wednesday, I had a loss and a break even. Tuesday, I didn't trade. I can't remember. But yeah, Wednesday, Monday, I don't know if I traded or not, because it seems I don't really have, let me say, much opportunities, and the market has really not been in my favor. Not that, but most of the trades that I would have taken would have ended up in 2R and come back to hit my BE. So I'm still trying to fix that. The plan is that I am always going to take 1% out and then leave SL at break even and target at 4%, which will really help in catching, let me say, even if I hit a break even, I know that I still have 1% out, so that the full TP is going to be 30% in max. But on a second thought, I was like, okay, fine, since I'm still testing, let me wait, maybe just this week. So let's see what next week is going to give us. Because bro, I don't really want to mess this up because I already started in a good year, or let me say my year has really been good, and I don't want to destroy it. So I think on 9th, which 9th was 9th, let's see what was on the 9th. Let's go to my calendar. On the 9th, what did we have on the 9th? On the 9th, was it Monday or what? You can now hide computer tax. Got it. Okay, so let's go to February 9th was Monday, exactly. So on the 9th, I had a loss, a -1. Well, that was on Monday. Then on Wednesday, I had a loss and a break even. So it is only Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday that I did not trade, which is today, that I haven't actually taken any trade. But Monday was a loss, and then Tuesday was Wednesday was also a loss, plus a break-even trade. I'll share this. I'll put the screenshot here. Let me just do that and show you guys the trades I took on this few days. Yeah, let me screenshot. I realized that when I was editing my previous video, I realized that this phone looked like an iPhone 17. Actually, that is not an iPhone 17. This is actually more like a Techno Spark. Not more like, this is actually a Techno Spark. So I had to get it because the phone I'm using to shoot right now was just making me overthink. So I really didn't like it that way. So I just had to force myself and then get this one, so that I'm using it as my second phone, especially for trading. I don't lie to you, it's very snappy. When it comes to trading, I've not had any issues with it. The internet is good, and yes, I customized this thing. It doesn't look like this. I had to, when you are a bit nerdy, you tend to go into this thing to do stuff. So yeah, that is actually the case. So I am about to head out and go and see my friend. It's been almost 4 or 5 days. I don't know, 4 days, I guess, that I have actually set my eyes on her. So I want to go and see how she's doing. But yeah, let's see how it goes.